Hi guys, Silver Sprout here. Today I'm running my Provoke Bard, and I'm going to go to Aegis Keep. Most people run the Provoke Bard in Azuri 4, but it can be ran in every dungeon fairly well. Azuri 4, it goes faster, of course, because the mobs there, they have a pretty low difficulty level for how much damage they do, especially the hierarchs. But you can run this build anywhere, pretty much. I just ran a video with Darkmire, Temple, and Pulma. Pulma was busy and all the mobs were dead, so I couldn't really showcase this build. But it did work in Darkmire, of course. I've done it there before. The build is Discordance, Music, and Provoke at 120, Tactics at 100, Macing at 100. I have Arms Lore at 87 right now. My cap is 707. So eventually, when I'm at 720, I'm probably going to do 80 healing and 80 Arms Lore. Healing is very helpful on the Provoke Bard, just in case you get caught up in the area damage from barding breaks. I find healing on a Bard more helpful than tracking and just using potions to heal instead. I just feel safer. I know a lot of people use tracking and it helps them out and not die from PKs, and that's totally fine. I don't mind dying to PK sometimes. I can usually get away unless I'm walled in, but otherwise I do just fine. Alright, let's go to Aegis. It's a dead body here. It's always bad news. Hopefully they just died from kobolds or gremlins. This is one of my favorite dungeons to run in general, but on the Bard it's a fun one because of the mob density. Generally with the Provoke Bard you want mob density, but it's not a big deal if you don't have a ton of mobs to kill. You can provoke the creatures onto yourself after you do a discordance on them, then you get 50 plus damage, 50% plus damage. And with healing, you can tank as a bard very easily, even with bleed damage. Poison is a bit more tricky, just because it makes your heals from bandages much smaller. But I still did Darkmire, so I did something right. Okay. Yeah, looks like a lot's dead, but we'll grab this Chaos Knight. We'll make him fight this Malform here. Go. We want to kill the Chaos Knight first, just because he's a lot stronger than the Malform, or at least take him pretty far down. Okay, so this Chaos Knight here, we can grab him and make him fight the Malform as well, or the other Chaos Knight. I'll choose the other Chaos Knight for now. And what I ultimately want to do is take that Malform, use him against this Chaos Knight too. So now they're all hitting each other with their attacks, pretty much. If there is any area damage, if you provoke it on more than one creature, it hits all the creatures that you've previously provoked. It's really helpful. And then after the creature dies, they start provoking, or they start attacking each other if you've provoked them previously, and the provoke is still in place. Really quite cool. They're so close. What else we can destroy. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab this Chaos guy. Didn't really want to disarm him, but that's okay. I need to turn off my disarms. Alright, here we go. We're gonna make these guys fight each other. I hate blood sorcerers, they're really strong, so... Oh look, where'd he go? I'm gonna try to even their health out here. The blood sorcerer will take down the demon really fast with Bloodstorm. Alright, so we're gonna try to kill the sorcerer here, and we'll take the last little bit of health from this guy here. Alright, we're taking bleed damage, that's okay. Bleed damage, actually the lame thing about bleed and poison and disease is it increases after the mob dies if there's something you discorded previously. So you don't get that discord bonus from them. We're gonna take these two fights. Kill the bloodworm first. Well, if you're an Aegis, I guess. I like killing the bloodworm because it has the deep bleed effect. We don't like that at all. We like it against other creatures, but not ourselves. Just in case he hard breaks. And you can grab more than one creature at once if you want to. Usually I provoke like 4 things on top of each other in this dungeon. Alright, let's just... should I take him? Sure, let's try. We're gonna drag him over here. Oh, okay. We're just gonna take the blood scorpion and make it kill the dragon. Alright, so the dragon went under a barding break. It's not a big deal, the scorpion's still attacking him, so he's gonna keep attacking scorpion. So just stay out of his AoE and you'll be fine. You can just provoke them again. Alright, I'm gonna start hitting the scorpion because it needs to get down. Super weak against macing the scorpion, so... there we go. And of course dodge its area damage, if you can. Yeah, let's grab the bloodworm and make these guys fight each other. There we go. Don't want to fight the little snake. Let's see. PK Action Barbie. I hate how they do that. That particular player likes to steal mobs. Not very cool. Alright, we're gonna make Chaos Knight fight the dragon and take down the Chaos Knight. I'd stand behind the dragon kind of just so you don't get hit by its area damage. Alright, let's grab... I want him to come over here. Oops. Cool. There we go. just gonna let them attack each other for a minute. Salute. Here we're gonna grab these two. There should be the invisible guy here, stealther. There he is. We want him and the Chaos Knight to fight each other. How long is he provoked? 16 seconds, plenty of time. Alright. Chaos Knight's gonna kill the Garu. There we go. All dead. Let's see if we can take on this guy to get free here. Failed. Alright, now let's do magic resist. So go ahead and discord things first, just so you don't die from like crazy area damage here. Or not area damage, but mage damage. Generally I can get the blood demon within one go or two goes. We'll just discord him first, this is fine. Hopefully this guy doesn't steal the kill like everyone else. Nope, he did not. Salute. Boarding break, 7 seconds. That's okay. We can tank him for a little bit of time. Usually if you're using a Supremely instrument, like I'm at tier 7 lyric right now, I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video, you can do just fine against this guy. Oh, he's not discorded. That's important so you don't die from the extra damage. Alright, we're gonna grab this guy, bring him over to the demon. If you like, you can start a battle in this room too. Let's get the Chaos Knight and this dude. Why not? And then you can go back out there and kill those guys in a second. There we go. Let's get them all furious with each other. More seconds of provoke, so re-provoke them. I'm actually going to discord these guys. There we go. That should help. Chaos Knight had a bargaining break, but he's going to continue attacking them. Oh no, the blood element did actually. That's fine. Here, we'll go reguard then. Nice. Peacemaking, good. Alright. That's all I'm going to showcase for right now. But you can see it's very doable. Almost any dungeon is doable on the Provoke Bard. It's really fun. A lot to manage. I think most people would enjoy it after learning how to manage mobs. Here, we'll attack this guy. Come on, one more hit. Ah, very nice. Yeah, their magic hits you after they die. It hits you for full damage. Super lame. But nice find, Bloodcore. Alright. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. It's a pleasure, as always. I hope this inspired you to possibly try the Provoke Bard rather than just the Peace Bard. Provoke is like piecing two enemies. Peace can experience a break too, barding break, so there really is no difference, I think, between the two, except that if you're fighting one-on-one, you might like Peace more. But Provoke, you're getting a lot of extra damage, essentially. I think that's definitely worth building Provoke versus Peace. I think Peace might be better for, let's say, bosses, and situations in which you have all of the music skills on your character, just as a buffer for the team. Alright, thanks very much, guys. Hope you all have a great day. I'll see you for the next video.